Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your HONOR X7d using your lock screen pattern. So if you don't have any other methods, any alternative methods of accessing your phone set up on your device like face recognition or fingerprint ID, then first and foremost you should try your best to remember the screen lock that worked for you the last time. And if you are struggling with it and you think there is no way you can do that, then the best solution would be to contact HONOR customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, they will most probably be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your phone without removing any personal data from your device. If this option seems unavailable for you, that's not a problem. Still, you can perform a factory reset operation which will ensure you access to your device, but it will also erase all data from your smartphone. There are two ways that you can perform this operation, either by performing it remotely or locally. To perform it remotely, you have to use the Find Hub service if you have a Google account set up on your device. In such case, using any other device that you have, open your web browser on it and search for the Find Hub website. It's an official Google website. Open it, then sign into your Google account on it. Go to Devices section, find your HONOR on the list, and then select Factory Reset Device. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set up your device as a new one. The alternative way to do this is locally, and in order to perform factory reset operation locally, you're going to have to access the Magic OS menu and perform factory reset operation from there. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can either continue watching this video and I will briefly explain it, or if you want to know how to do this step by step, we have an entire video on our channel explaining exactly how to do that. So you're highly welcome to watch this video. I suppose it's titled How to Factory Reset HONOR X7d through recovery mode. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. Now I just wanted to show you the other case and the solution for this case, in case you do remember your lock screen pattern and your phone just won't let you in. That might be because of some third-party application that is causing trouble to your lock screen, and sometimes that happens, and in such case you just have to reboot your device into safe mode and try to access your device from the safe mode. Now, in order to access the safe mode, you have to press and hold power button and the volume down key together until your device's screen goes off. And right after it goes off, switch the volume down to the volume up button and then just wait until your device's screen goes off again. Excuse me for that. Okay, now you can release both buttons, and I wish you could have seen it better, but here you can navigate using your volume up and down keys and confirm pressing the power button, or you can just use your finger instead. Now, if you wanted to perform a factory reset operation, you have to go to the clear data, then select factory reset and then confirm it on the following screen. Now, in order to enter the safe mode, you just have to select the safe mode and enter it, and then just wait until your device boots up into safe mode. Once you are in a safe mode, you'll see the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now just try to unlock your device normally, and just in case you succeed, go to your settings menu, scroll all the way down to security and privacy section and open it. Go to device unlock, go to screen lock, and then enter your pattern once again, and then either select and then okay, let me try this once again. I think okay, so select unlock method, and now okay, let's go back because I don't see it here. Okay, tap the gear icon next to the lock screen and select disable lock screen password, then tap OK and provide your pattern once again. And right now you can restart your phone into the normal mode and feel safe about using your phone again. So just hold your finger, hold volume up and power button at the same time, select restart, and just wait until your device normally reboots. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.